Hello friends. Today we will discuss about the topic in concrete technology subject curing of concrete. So let us start with this slideshow curing of concrete. What is curing of concrete? Curing of concrete is a method by which the concrete is protected against a loss of moisture required for hydration and kept within the recommended temperature range. Curing will increase the strength and decrease the permeability of hardened concrete. Curing ensures hydration of the cement, which in turn enhances its strength and durability, reducing the loss of mixing water from the surface of the concrete. This slide shows the importance of curing concrete. The bar chart indicate the effect of curing period on the compressive strength of concrete. If curing is not done, there is water deficiency which causes insufficient hydration. As a result, there will be capillary pores causing cracks and shrinkage in the long run. Thus, the concrete, if not cured, results in poor strength development and lower durability. See on this bar chart, on x-axis, curing period is given and the compressive strength attained is given on y-axis. So if you keep the concrete continuously moist, you can get 100%. But if the curing is not done, that is the last bar, which is continuously in air, you get strength only 40%. So this is the importance of curing and the period of curing. Now methods used for curing of concrete. First, shading of concrete, covering concrete surface with gunny bags, sprinkling of water, ponding method, membrane curing, and steam curing. We will see each method one by one. In shading of concrete work means the object of shading is to cover the concrete by suitable sheet. The object of shading is to prevent the evaporation of water from the surface even before setting. This is adopted mainly in case of large concrete surfaces such as road slabs. This is essential in dry weather to protect the concrete from heat, direct sun rays, and wind. In photograph, you can see the person are covering the concrete with some suitable sheet. Other method is weight gunny bag. This method is very useful for vertical surfaces of concrete like columns. Gunny bags are made from jute and wrapped around the concrete and are kept continuously wet. Gunny bags absorb water and retain moisture for a long time. Gunny bags can be used for many times and hence this method is very economical. Then spraying water. This is the simplest method for curing. In this method, after removal of shuttering or the formwork, water is sprayed on the concrete through a pipe or by bucket. A number of times it is sprinkled in a day. This method is suitable for small works. It requires great supervision, and as soon as the concrete dries, water has to be sprayed. Remember, where there is a scarcity of water, this method is not useful because in this method, lot of water is used. Then ponding method. Ponding method is suitable for large slab and for road pavement. On top of the slab, small ponds are prepared from clay soil and water is stored up to a depth of 50 mm for 28 days. Water used in ponding should be of good quality. That means it should be potable, that is fit for drinking. Then membrane curing. This is similar to the first method, shading of concrete. Membrane curing is used in areas of acute water scarcity. In this method, sealing membrane is applied over concrete, which will trap the water inside and avoid its escape through evaporation. Membrane may be actually a sheet of polythene or formed by application of chemicals. In this photograph, you can see some chemicals are applied which will form a film on the surface of the concrete, which will prevent the evaporation of water from freshly laid concrete. Then steam curing. Steam curing is used for precast concrete products. Due to steam, the components are heated uniformly and the strength is gained at a very fast rate. Steam can pass and penetrate through small gaps of stacked precast concrete products and strength is achieved evenly from all sides. This method is only useful or used in case of precast concrete product. It is very costly but very effective and the concrete gain its strength very early. Now the point is duration of curing. For how many days one should cure the concrete? Concrete should not be allowed to dry fast in any situation. This condition should be maintained for 24 hours. Best way to keep the concrete under wet gunny bags for 24 hours and then commence water by way of ponding and spraying. The curing period varies for different structures, situations, different atmospheric conditions, type of cement, grade of concrete, proportion. In general, concrete must be cured at least for 7 days if OPC, ordinary Portland cement is used. If rapid handling cement is used, the period can be reduced slightly, and if low heat cement is used, curing can be extended to 21 days. In cold weather region and in hot weather region also where there are extreme temperature either low or high, curing should be continued for a long time. Now the frequent questions asked in the examination. First, what is curing of concrete? Why curing of concrete is important? What are the methods of curing? Explain each in brief. Compare methods of curing concrete and on which factor period of curing depends. Thank you.